Welcome to our channel CNC Programming and Time Board. And today video we are going to learn the sheet metal in NX. And first we will start the sheet metal. And in sheet metal we will create some sheet type of part, which parts have some specific thickness. That kind of parts we will create in sheet metal. And this is the all option. These are all option in sheet metal. And here we have this sketcher. We have to sketcher, we create 2D, and then we will create this. And first of all we have to define the thickness. So first my option is just go to preferences, and preferences we have this sheet metal. And sheet metal option, we can specify the thickness of the sheet so that all sheet will come in the same thickness. The material thickness is 3 and band radius is 3. So I'm going to change this band radius to 5 and that radius is 3. And corner relief depth, the corner relief, if you are giving some corner relief, that time its depth will come to 8 and the width will be 3. So if you want to change, you can change, otherwise no need to change, just apply this. And some more option are there, and if you want to change the color you can change, and some treatment option, curve option, joggle. Later on we will discuss about all. Just click OK. Now first we have to create a 2D profile, so that we will create that part into a sheet metal. First I will take this rectangle, and at this center I'm going to create this. Just dimension this and make it properly constrained. And first my option is this tab. This tab will create a sheet metal of any close profile or close curve. Okay, this is something like fill surface, as we use in surface. That fill surface means if you have any sketch that is closed entity, that will closed by the sheet, and here it is automatically convert now into the secondary. Now if you want to create next sheet, that will be a secondary. And first we have this base surface. Now this is for secondary option. So if you have any second curve, that time we will use that secondary option. For that second option, that secondary sheet metal, I will create a rectangle. And now I want to create this rectangle as a secondary plate. So just create this and finish, and choose tab. And when you will create this, click over it, it will not create a sheet because my second sheet is not connecting with first one. So at least one curve on one edge must be connected with the first sheet. That's why this is error is coming. So I will connect this curve to my face curve. Now select this, it will automatically convert into sheet and it will join with the previous one. This is a sheet with tab option. Next we have this flange, and in this flange select over an edge, and with this you can increase its length, and here it is. You can change the offset. If you want to change the offset, you can change with this arrow. Here we have, if you want to create at the center, it will create at the center only, and you want to change the angle, that angle is also possible. The offset value, it is also possible. Here we have all option at the end, and specify the point at which end you want to create. This is the end point, and then increase the length. If you want to increase the length, here it is, and reverse the length, reverse the direction. You want to create this up direction or the reverse direction, and here it is the angle. And this length reference means the length of this flange is without the thickness, and if you want to add this with the thickness, the total length will come. Total length, this is the length, and total length will come with the thickness of the plate. That's why. And here offset inside or outside, if you will take as inside, the relief will come and it is automatically come what we have decided in the preferences. Click preview, and in reference plane you can specify the reference planes until selected. Means I want to create up to this. You can select this and drag this reference plane, but in this case it is not possible to create. Okay, or we can change this from and change this point at this point. Unable to create. So this plane is not working right now. We will see later on. And click here, and we have this relief, and in relief we are using the square relief. You can choose or change it to round, then round relief will come. And corner we have some option, this is okay. And if you want to add some more, click new set, but this is not supporting it right now. Just delete and click OK. So this is our first option, the flange and the tab. So hope you understand this properly. See you with next tutorial. Keep subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.